All right, guys, I want you to check out this massive custom dry creek bed that we've been able to provide for the customer that allows for us to take in the water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard and that which is going to be coming off of this hillside. Now it's all going to be redirected into this custom dry creek bed where the water is going to be sucked up by the size of the rock. In addition, it's going to be taken down to the path of least resistance, and we've also included this erosion control fabric. It's not like a weed control fabric, but rather a nylon type fabric that allows for us to be able to ensure that this river rock never sinks down, but most importantly, that the water never goes back into the ground, and it has to move through this rock where the sediment inside of the rock is going to suck that particular water up. And so this is what we've been able to do in the Paulding County area. We're right here in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, but it does say that if you're anywhere in between, we have a landscape solution to solve your drainage problem that is absolutely amazing. And it's all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We make dirt look good like you never